Welcome to the SC7 and 171 Intersection Improvements Project Public Open House. On behalf of Charleston County and the City of Charleston, we thank you for joining us for today's meeting. Together, we are partnering to improve traffic flow and safety for all modes of transportation at the intersection of SC7 and SC171 in West Ashley. This prominent intersection, located at Sam Rittenberg Boulevard and Old Town Road, is surrounded by commercial development, including grocery, retail, and dining. Well-established neighborhoods are located immediately behind the commercial developments on the outer edge of Sam Rittenberg and Old Town Road. The intersection is locally viewed as one of the gateways to the City of Charleston's West Ashley neighborhood. The purpose of SC7 and SC171 Intersection Improvements Project is to enhance mobility along the project study area with transportation strategies designed to improve the level of service for the traveling public, support access to existing and future businesses, and create livable communities. Staff reviewed a total of 9 alternatives for the Intersection Improvement Project. During the first round of review, 5 were eliminated because they did not meet the goals of the project. Today, the 4 alternatives ranked highest will move forward for further analysis. We invite you to learn about the alternative analysis process, review the 4 potential intersection improvement alternatives, and share your comments with the study team members. In anticipation of a large crowd for today's event, we provided 2 rows of exhibit stations. Both rows contain the same information, so you may enter either row to begin your review and discussion of the materials with the study team members located at each station. Please take a moment to share your comments on the information you reviewed. Your input is critical to this project. With the information gathered today, we will continue the alternatives analysis process to recommend a locally preferred alternative to present at a future public meeting. You may submit a written comment today by filling out a comment form. You may also submit your comments via mail or online. All public comments are due in 30 days on January 4th, 2019. Thank you for your interest in the SC7 and 171 Intersection Improvements Project. We encourage and value your input throughout the process.